Advantages of papaya for skin. Forget about wrinkles and crinkles, crow's foot. Papaya's antioxidant qualities reduce signs of aging like crow's feet around your eye and wrinkles around the mouth area. Combine a tiny bit of papaya with essential olive oil and rub it to the quantity you would like it to work its magic. Goodbye acne and pimples. Papaya juice will vanquish pimples and acne. Its wonderful skin cleaning qualities that can help lower your inclination towards acne. Use the juice around the affected area just for 10 minutes and you will notice that carrying this out every day just get rid of acne altogether. Also eat it, it'll get rid of the body and that's half the fight against acne. 1. Soothe sensitive skin. The very best factor that to do for sensitive skin is to use the flesh of the unripe papaya for face. Unripe papaya has high amount of papain enzyme which is ideal for healing and soothing, and that's really what sensitive skin needs. If you are highly allergic, then it's better to make use of the ripe papaya flesh rather. Farewell little hairs. A papaya face pack will also help you reduce the unwanted hair on your face that you are frequently enticed to bleach or wax or pluck. Let's say you won't ever needed to do those things again. Lovely, be nice. My cut burns forget about. Another wondrous impact of papaya for skin is its amazing healing forces. The papain enzyme also keeps bacteria away and prevents the wound from infection. Just rub a few of the fleshy bit in your cuts and burns. A great soother for children who'll most likely hate to possess astringent accustomed to clean their wounds.